There's a job where companies pay you to break into their own systems, completely legally. It's called ethical hacking. And right now, it's one of the most in-demand skills in the world. Here's what really is and how you start. An ethical hacker is a security professional who attacks a system, with permission, to find the holes before the criminals do. That last part matters. With permission, the only thing separating a security pro from a criminal is authorization. Companies hire them to run what's called a penetration test, a controlled, authorized simulated attack. The hacker probes the network, the apps, even the people, looking for any weak point an attacker could exploit. Then, crucially, they don't exploit it for harm. They write a report so the company can fix it. You'll hear 3 colors. Black hats break in to cause harm. White hats break in to help. Gray hats blur the line. Ethical hackers are the white hats, and the demand for them is exploding as everything moves online. So how do you actually start? You don't need a degree. You need fundamentals. Learn how networks work. Learn Linux. Learn how websites are built. The attacker understands the system better than the builder. Then build a home lab. Practice machines you legally own and never, ever test systems you don't have permission for. Practice on legal playgrounds built for it. Capture the flag challenges and intentionally vulnerable training machines. Certifications like the OSCP prove you can actually do it, not just talk about it. And there's real money in it. Companies even run bug bounties, paying hackers cash for every flaw they responsibly report. But the foundation of all of it is ethics. The same skills that protect can destroy. The line is your intent and your permission. Learn it the right way, and you become one of the most valuable people in tech. The person who keeps everyone else safe. If you want to learn this properly, subscribe. Real tech, zero hype every week.